Today topic is about empowering organization. At the organizational level, organizational empowerment refers to organizational efforts that generate personal empowerment among members and organizational effectiveness needed for goal achievement. What is bottom line? Appropriate employee empowerment is essential to organizational success. Second is, everyone claims to empower employees, but this is easier than said than done. Third is, a failed organization empowerment initiative is at best a waste of time. Power sharing and empowerment. Power sharing, the delegation of power or authority to subordinates in the organization. What's wrong with the concept? Most of the times, after sharing of power or authority, people think that employee misuse it and their influence on employee will reduce consequently. Next is the empowerment. Being enabled to make independent decisions and take effective action. Guidelines for effective employee empowerment. First is, select the right manager, provide training, offer guidance, build trust, focus on relationships, stress organizational values, transform mistakes into opportunities. And next is reward and recognize, share authority, give it time, encourage dissent, share information. Next is realize that empowerment has its limitations and involve employees. These are guidelines of effective employee empowerment. Next is, choose the right manager for proper empowerment. First is, select leaders who are already empowerment their colleagues routinely. Second is, confront dictatorial leaders and then give them a fair chance to change. Next is, call attention to leaders who are doing it right. Select the right employees. First is, people already taking the initiative, risks and benefits of empowerment, share information openly, then identify those with good instincts, confidence and willingness to the risks. In this topic, we talk about in the next is provide adequate training. Most common challenges they face, attitudes and behavior to the successful. Nothing works at every time. Perfection in shortly supply and list them as trainers as soon as possible. In the next, we talk about share information. In this, begin by asking what information is needed, encourage everyone except for personal stuff and provide secrets, demonstrate openness, invite question and challenges, change your position readily. Next is, hold everyone accountable. First is, authority without accountability becomes self-centered. Every little bit of power is seductive. Find out what happened, ask why it happened, better option might have, imply it. Let the emotion of the moment pass. And last is, view mistakes as opportunities to grow. So I hope you understand today's topic. Thank you.